Hello again, buenos dias, and welcome to my original YouTube channel here at Benidorm and beyond. I produce positive, fun and informative vlogs about the fantastic resort of Benidorm, where I've lived for a quarter of a century now, so please come along and join me on my regular Spanglish adventures. And don't forget to leave me a comment, like or emoji, or just simply share this vlog or subscribe to the channel to help spread the word about Benidorm and beyond and get more upbeat videos about this beautiful tourist city out there in the world. So, some 15 months ago I made a video called Benidorm's Most Neglected Road, which showed footage of Avenida de Montecarlo in the upper Rincon de Loix area and the terrible condition that this street's pavements and indeed roads had gotten into. If you've never heard of this long avenue, Avenida de Montecarlo runs from close to Benidorm Palace, starting about halfway up Quai Nápoles to the right, and running all the way along to the junction with Quai Berlin. It's a very well-to-do area with some properties, which are no less than private villas with landscape gardens and pools, selling for as much as €1.75 million, with some accommodation even at the other end of the road selling for close to €1 million too. Also along this street, which has a high concentration of residential buildings, you can find holiday apartment blocks, including the Benidorm Celebrations Music Resort and the touristic now Party Apartments, as well as many other mixed-purpose skyscraper towers which have holiday lets within them as well as owner-occupiers and renters, and also a variety of small businesses, a pharmacy and the local Catholic Church of Parroquia de Nuestra Señora del Mar. So, luxury villas and townhouses aside, from the junction with Quai Londres, the condition of this street is all but a disgrace, with broken and missing tiles ready to trip you up, not to mention ready to catch rainwater and splash you as you walk over them, tree roots left to burst through the flagstones and buckle the pavement, constituting an uneven walkway, and endless smotherings of concrete to cover up previous digging. And this leads all the way to the end of the street at Quai Berlin, which then heads downhill to such well-known Benidorm hotspots as the Plaza and Triangle bars and the 4-star Hotel Port Benidorm, which looks over and down towards the beautiful Avanti beachfront and promenade. Unsurprisingly, the section of Monte Carlo Avenue closest to Benidorm Palace has absolutely no problems at all. And indeed the section that starts from Quai de Paris was restyled about 2 years ago, with new pipes installed and an attractive new grey, blue and white pavement laid, but the other side of the road is a very different story, as this was just concreted over and left in a rather patched up state. The project was awarded over €1,355,000 and is being financed entirely by the Municipal Water Service Renewal Funds. As you can see, the works have significantly hampered daily life along this street, with large sections being closed at any given time, meaning traffic diversions have been in constant place and public transport being able to run in its usual manner. Also, with so much heavy machinery in situ turning over the concrete, there has been a lot of debris and peripheral mess around, and that's on top, of course, of the constant noise, which starts from about 8 AM and carries on throughout the day, with a welcome break when the construction workers go for lunch or siesta. I'll now let you sit back and continue to watch the footage, and I hope that you've enjoyed this news vlog today. And if you did like watching and listening along with me, then I'd ask that you please give the video a thumbs up and like it, and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already done so, as well as checking out my huge back catalogue of other vlogs, which take you on info-packed street and beachfront strolls, bring you reviews on local hotels, cafes, bars and new businesses, with a fly-on-the-wall look inside the hotels, which you can search by looking up Benidorm and beyond and the name of the hotel you're interested in, and show you updates on current building work around the town, as well as anything else I can think of too. Please also feel free to interact with me by dropping me a line in the comments section if there is something or somewhere that you'd particularly like me to include in the future, and as always, I'll see what I can do. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll see you out and about on Benidorm streets next time. Adios for now, amigos, see you later, and I hope to catch you again soon. Cheers!
Sorry for passar. amigo, ¿por qué no graba?
Estaba sudando y se le caía.
No, ese no hace. Me dice un poco.
La verdad que vas mareado y te dura 7 o 10 minutos, no sé, ¿sabes? Pero no ciego de guau, ¿sabes?